We are now on the third set of the game. In a few more seconds, we're about to start our third set of the match between Kulawin and PSIS. This is a 5-set match, battle for third.
See that? Very easy ball. Over.
The players are all exhausted, I know. So I guess Davao. Starting our third set of this match, battle for third between Kulawin and PSIS. Service line, jersey number 17. What? That is out of. Bon. Ang magsabi, service line, jersey number 10, Mr. Gabo. Oh. Still on the service line, Gabo. Received by MJ, sent to Behasa, got it. Dumaan sa block ni Pete. Service line, jersey number 24, received by Chris. Ayun, nakuha ni MJ. Okay, still playable. Oh. Serve! Acer by Kitty. Oh! Second point by Ken. Ace 2 Acers. Wow! Ang nag-service kay si jersey number 2. Okay, set, palo sa likod. Okay, score sa Mulawin. Score! Hasam. Sealed in the service line, jersey number 2, Ken. Received by Pete, set by Jared to Carl. Carl dig, received by Chris, set by Edegamo, Campo, Navales to opener. Behasa on the spike. Oh! Having a serious skills by Carl Rizzo. Ouch, Aroli. This line, jersey number 2, Ken. Nice serve! Oh! Ang ganda ng serve! Hindi umikot yung bola. Best server of the game. Service. Score 7-3 in favor of Mulawin. Oh, okay. Saya. Now, service line, jersey number 13, Mr. Carl Arizo. Okay, that is out. That's out. Score 8-4 Pepsi. Service line, jersey number 7. Okay. Oh, what an acer! What an acer! Knee ball top. Ball. Okay. Score 9-4 Kausi. Received by Jared, by J.R. Lucas, Navales at the backset, and what a cross-court shot by jersey number 23, Mr. Angkol. Please subscribe to his channel on YouTube, ANCZ1024. Thank you so much. Received by Chris. Oh. Score! 11-4 in favor of Mulawin. What's that? Time out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is battle for third between Mulawin and PSIS. Up next will be our service jersey number 7. Okay, off now. Receive. Set to MJ. Whoa! What a spike by MJ. Mulawin jersey number 17. Oh! Score! 13-5 Bedbon. Okay, set by Pete to Chris. Okay, MJ to Edison. Drop, set, back, drop. Edison to MJ. MJ dig by, who's that? Pete to Chris. Touch. Okay, chance ball. Still playable, the game. It is a rally game, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Okay, see who will get the point. Oh! What a nice game. Wow, nice rally, guys. Wow. Service line, jersey number 22. Received by... Oh. 10. Still on service line, Jersey, easy song. Receive. Open to MJ. Takbon. Okay. Score. 14-7. Sipsi. Still on service line, Jersey, number 19. Anderson. Oh. Okay. Chance ball. Mulawin. Ken. Open to MJ. Drop ball. Oh, it worked. Nice drop, MJ. Score. Sipajet. Out. Ball. Received by Uncle to MJ. MJ is getting more points in the third set of this match. Service line, Jersey, number 17, MJ. Oy! MJ, the elevator. Wow. Score 17-8 in favor of Mulawin. Okay, that is out. Rotate na ha. Gabo. Service center, Jersey number 10 of TSIS. Receive. MJ to Ken. Now, freeze, set by Gabo. Dump. Oh. Jolly got a point. He got a point. Still the service line, Jersey number 10, Gabon. Receive, over receive. Okay, dumped by Carl the Japanese. Received by to Behasa. Behasa was blocked. Oh! What a spike by jersey number 7, Behasa. Okay, now back set to Pete. Pete. Score 19-12 Jet ball cup. Service, setter. Set, back set. Carl Alizo. Oh, he was blocked by Ken Amara. Seal the service line, jersey number 24, Navales. Oy. Hold my dreams to take me there. Still the service line, jersey number 24. Navales, Cristo Chris. Set to Carl Amigo, and that is out. Outside. Score. Easy song, simple song. Still the service line, jersey number 24. JR Lucas to Chris, to Carl Arizo, under. Score, easy sound, song. 2 more points to win the third set. Okay. Binalik po. Emergency set. Binigay kay Behasa. And he got the point. Mardialครับ Score 22 22 Mardial. Okay. Summit. Nope. Okay. Lixir. Navales to Behasa. And he got